I'm David Charvet with Charvet Classic Cars. We're here in the showroom today with a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible. It's an iconic car, and I'll be back to tell you more about it after you take a closer look. The 1957 Chevrolet was the culmination of a three-year design style introduced by Chevrolet in 1955, 55, 56, 57, what we now know as the Tri-5 era of Chevrolets. When introduced in 1955, it had the first V8 engine that Chevrolet had made since 1918, so it was really revolutionary for the company at that time. This particular car is, again, 57 Bel Air. It was the top of the line in 1957, and it's optioned with really one of the most powerful engines that they produced in that year. It's a 283 cubic inch V8, and this is the upgraded Turbo Fire V8 with 245 horsepower. It has a dual quad carburetors, meaning two 4-barrel carburetors sitting one in front of the other, and that's all covered by what became known as the Batwing air cleaner. And with a 3-speed manual transmission, this car, when they were first introduced, it was claimed they would do a standing quarter mile in 14 seconds or less. And that's pretty impressive in the day. And even today, this car will still push you back in the seat when you step on the accelerator and both of those carburetors open up. It's really a powerhouse. And there's no wonder that the public responded en masse to these cars. I mean, they built millions of them over those 3 years, and today they are still revered as one of the most iconic designs in American automotive history. So this This one, as I say, underwent a beautiful restoration about 15 years ago, and everything was done as specified on all of the tags that are on the car that were on there from new. So it again has the correct engine. It's the original engine, just rebuilt and done properly. The color is color code number 793 Onyx Black. It is beautiful with a deep mirror shine. You can see yourself in it, and it really is spectacular. And these cars are a little bit unforgiving, particularly in black, if the body is not straight. But this body is straight as an arrow. And with the amount of chrome on this car, it does have a lot of what we now refer to as bling. And that front grille, which of course is in gold, as it was on the Bel Airs, sets the whole package off. The interior is finished in what they called red and silver vinyl, silver patterned vinyl inserts. It's trim code number 683. And although they call it red, it's really a little more orange. It's, I guess, Chevrolet red is what they would call it. It's the same color basically as the engine and the valve covers, and the interior of the car is that same color. So it really ties this whole look and styling through. As I mentioned, it has a lot of chrome. The Bel Airs on the rear fins had this big swath of chrome that was really lovely, and at the back of the car this does have the optional Continental kit. Everything works on the car, has a radio, and that also works. All the gauges work. It's really lovely, and I am told that this restoration exceeded $200,000, and I can believe it when I look at it. You look underneath, it is as clean underneath as it is on top. Has about 900 miles since restoration, which were obviously careful miles because there are no chips or dings or any damage to the car at all. It was really a weekend cruiser, one to enjoy on short trips, and as I say, it has lived up to, I'm sure, all expectations, as hopefully it will to yours, because this one is really, really nice. I think now we should take it out for a drive. So if you have any questions about this Chevy or any of the other cars we represent, feel free to call us at 503-309-7729 or find us online at charvetclassiccars.com. I'm David Charvet. Thanks for watching.